We're here at Truck Access Plus with two different types of trucks, Tacoma, Ford Ranger. All we did here is the truck bed covers. We're going to check them out. First one is the RetraxPRO XR, heavy duty aluminum retractable cover on this Tacoma. Go out to your truck, unlock it with the key, push the button, send it right back. Very easy operation. You just take up some space in the back right here, so you're going to lose some space, but you can still fit some stuff under there if you need to. And this has the XR rail, so you can add rack accessories on top. Very smooth operation, very secure. This one's here's the BAKFlip MX4, hard folding truck bed cover, matte black finish. It's secure when you lock your tailgate, so when your tailgate's locked, it's safe. Lower tailgate from either side, just pull this here, flip it, pull it again, flip it. You can go up all the way to the back, get your full bed access. You can drive with it down the road like this, highway speed safe. You don't lose any space under there. Rail system's clamped onto the truck, so there's no drilling. We specialize in truck bed covers here at Truck Access Plus. This is a new Ford Ranger, and we did the BAKFlip MX4 on it. It's really nice for all pickup trucks. You can drive with it in this position with the buckles. Each time you fold it, it locks on the rail. Shut the tailgate, lock it up. That one does the job for a lot of people. The second time around, a lot of people like the retractable cover, especially the RetraxPRO heavy duty aluminum, the new XR rail. You can put racks on top. Visit us here in Phoenix, Truck Access Plus, when you need a truck bed cover for your Ford Ranger or Tacoma.